Hello, this is Mrs. Russo with some tips and tricks to Chapter 1, Lesson 2, Read and Write Numbers. Today we introduced that math can be written, or numbers can be written, in almost 3 different languages. The most common language, as I was calling it today in class, is in standard form, which is kind of like number form. So when the numbers are written in numbers with commas in the place of where the periods are at. So this is the common way. The second language or way that you can show numbers is in word form. So I have up here in standard form 234,067. And then below I have in purple what I think it is. And then below I kind of have one that's a little bit off, which is very common student errors. What I like them to do is I like them to whisper read the first number. So 234,067. If I read the one in green and whisper read it, 234,607. Wait, does that sound like 234,067? 234,607. If they whisper read it, they're going to know that they're off a little bit and that they need to go and check to make sure that they have correctly identified this as 67 and not 607, to make sure that their word form is correct. The third and last language or form to writing numbers is an expanded form. A little activity we played today was where we would write what is the value of this 2. Well, it's not just 2 ones, it is 200 thousands. And then I would have them quickly cross off that they have represented that value. And then what is the value of this 3? Well, it's 30,000. What is the value of this 4? Well, it is 4,000. What is the value of this 0? 0. But we do not need to write it. What is the value of this 6? Well, it's 6 tenths, so 60. And the value of this 7 is simply 7 ones. Now, what I'm looking for as a final answer on their homework is for them to take this, because this number alone is not the value of the original number. What we need to do is we need to add them all together to represent the value of the number correctly. So that's why we need to put plus signs in between them to show that adding them together, it does equal the value of our original number. I appreciate your time watching this video. Please email your classroom teacher if you have any questions, and have a great night.